Hi everybody, today we're going to show you at FoneFunShop our new arrival, which is the dust-free workstation. Now what this does, it filters clean air into the enclosure, blowing out any dust particles that can harm any job on an iPad like we're working on here, or indeed LCD recycling when you're sticking down lenses. Particles of dust are simply everywhere, and this enclosure helps eliminate that factor, making it much quicker for you to do a clean job and a professional job. So first of all, I'm just going to show you around the unit. On the top we have two quite high powered fans which can be turned on with the switch here. It's got a variable speed, so as I turn it up the power, you can probably hear that, but it is quite powerful. So the air is actually sucking into here, and on the inside you've got a filter system which is very fine and will filter out all the dust particles that can be blowing around in any normal workspace. You've also got a handy light as well to illuminate the work. It's easy enough to set up. It comes flat pack, but there's no assembly as such. It just folds the legs out and then you have to cut and stick on the anti-static plastic around to give yourself a nice clean working environment. As you can see, we've got an iPad here to give you some perspective of size that we're working on, and one of our engineers can easily work comfortably inside this enclosure. Like I say, it's ideal for the final cleaning of an iPad to stop any dust getting between the LCD and the digitizer. So these are available to buy for worldwide delivery. We now deliver worldwide via DHL from our website FoneFunShop.com. Thanks for watching.